Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Navya Artistry. This side Navya. In this today's video, we're gonna discuss about 5 of the MAC best products that you can have. When we talk about makeup brands and particularly the high-end brands, MAC is the #1 product that comes to our mind. It's so fascinating brand that everyone at some point of time want to own a MAC product. And here I'm going to list 5 of my favorite MAC products that I think you must have in your makeup vanity. So what we are waiting for, let's get started to the video. Talking about the makeup, and the very first product to think of is absolutely the foundations. I have 2 foundations of MAC Cosmetics. One is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and the other one is MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15 Foundation. I'll also explain you the difference between the two and which one you should actually buy. This foundation gives you matte to natural finish. Basically the coverage is medium, but yes, you can build it to attain a full coverage foundation look. Depending on which kind of techniques you are using a sponge or a beauty blender, or you are using fingers to apply the foundation or a foundation brush. So it depends on that how you build up the foundation. The best part about these foundations are that both of them contain SPF 15. So it contains a broad UV spectrum. So you can be hassle free when you step out of the house and you are enjoying your life in the sun rays and everything. So you don't need to worry about the SPF and getting your skin tanned when you are actually applying this foundation. So now what's the difference between the two? This foundation comes in 52 shades. The shades range are plenty and the availability of this foundation, it's widely available. This foundation easily lasts for 10 to 12 hours. So you don't need to worry about that. And this foundation is particularly for oily to normal skin. So bear that in mind that if you are on the drier side, so you don't need to buy this foundation. You actually have to buy this foundation, which is Studio Sculpt Foundation. This one comes in 40 ml as compared to the previous version which comes in 30 ml. And this foundation is particularly for dry skin tones, and you get a kind of luminous finish when you apply this foundation. So if you want matte finish and your skin is particularly oily or normal, then you can go for MAC Studio Fix Foundation. In MAC Studio Fix Foundation, you get 30 ml of the product by giving 2,900 rupees, and for Studio Sculpt, you get 40 ml of the product by giving 3,600 rupees. Now you need to make a choice that which foundation suits you the most. My skin is on the drier side, so for me this one works best, and it provides me medium coverage and it lasts me for 10 to 12 hours. So I'm pretty much happy with the consistency and the blendability of the foundation. Plus the coverage is really amazing. Plus it's long lasting and contains SPF 15 as well. So this is all about MAC foundations. Talking about the MAC products and how can we miss the MAC Compact, the very famous powder plus foundation combination. Yes, you heard it right. You can use this particular product in both the ways. You can apply this product over your foundation and you can use it alone also. Just to get light to medium coverage on a very humid day, you can just use this compact and you are good to go. The best part about this compact is it comes with a lot of shade range, and it will not make your skin too much dry and you feel like your skin is feeling cracky after applying this particular compact. This compact comes in 38 shades, which is actually huge, and you get this product for 15 grams for rupees 2,900 again, like the foundation, which is again for the 2,900. This is actually my go-to product. I always keep this in my bag. It's actually great for the touch-ups. So that's the added advantage of this compact, that anytime if you feel that your T-zone is oily or you are feeling that you need to touch up, you can use this compact and again you will get that flawless finish on your skin. The next great product from MAC Cosmetics is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Spray. This spray you can use both as the primer as well as after you are done with your makeup as a setting spray. When you are using this as a prep for your makeup, it will instantly provide hydration to your skin. If you apply it after you are done with your makeup, it's gonna fix your makeup and will provide you a dewy finish as well. This particular spray comes in 8 variants. There are certain variants which provides you dewy finish, and then there is one variant which is Fix Plus Matte that provides you matte finish, and then you have Fix Plus Pink Light and Gold Light which provides you luminous finish, because those two variants contains shimmer particles. So if shimmer is your taste, then you can definitely go with those kind of variants. I own this rose variant with me. It comes in Fix Plus category, which is actually for providing a dewy finish to the skin. And if you want matte finish, you can definitely go with the matte version, which is Fix Plus matte version. Moving on to its price, it retails for 1900 if you buy 100 ml, and there is a mini version of it if you want to buy 30 ml, so you will get it for 1200 rupees. So I think you should buy the 100 ml variant, because in that way you get 100 ml product, and that too for 1900, whereas in the 1200 version you only get 30 ml. The value for money variant is your 100 ml variant, so you should go for it. Moving on to the next favorite MAC product of mine, which is none other than our very favorite lipsticks. So when we talk about MAC lipsticks, we know that Ruby Woo is our favorite lipstick when it comes to the red color. So they have a lot of variants when it comes to MAC lipsticks. They have luster range, they have retro matte, they have matte, they have luminous range, they have amplified range. So there are certain variants which are completely matte, like the retro version. I like this one. I own Ruby Woo. This one is retro matte, and this particular variant provides you full coverage, and it's absolutely matte. It's highly pigmented, and the colors are very vivid and bold. And if you talk about the other variants, I also own the matte variant, which is different from the retro matte variant in that aspect that the matte variant is little less pigmented, and the coverage is also medium to full. And plus the matte version, unlike the retro version, is little bit on the creamier side. The retro version is like completely matte. So I'm already wearing this shade. The shade is Marrakesh from the MAC matte range. This is different from your retro range. Please do remember that. If you are interested in buying a matte shade from MAC, please do consider that you want to buy a completely matte kind of a finish, or you want to buy a lipstick which is on the creamier side. So depending on your liking, you need to make a decision regarding which of the lipstick you want to buy. Now taking forward the lipstick topic, here I have a product from MAC liquid lipstick range, which is actually a game changer here. It is even better from the classic MAC lipsticks. So it's my favorite product from the MAC actually. It provides a great finish, which is completely matte, and the best part is that it is highly long lasting. One glide is enough. It's highly pigmented, and the shade that I own is Oh Lady. This is really a pretty shade that you can carry in any of the parties or occasions. So go for this shade, and if you are really looking for a liquid lipstick which provides you matte finish and a very long lasting finish as well. Coming to the price of MAC lipsticks, the full size version of MAC lipsticks retails for 1700 rupees, and if you want to buy the mini version, you can have it for 1050 rupees. This one is for 1.8 grams and the full version is for 3 grams. Now if I talk about the liquid lipsticks, this one retails for rupees 2200, and you get 5 ml product out of this. Last but not the least, one of my favorite products from MAC Cosmetics is none other than the Technicolor liner, which you can use as kajal as well as liner. You can use it both in your waterline, and you can also use it as a liner on your upper lash line. The Technicolor liner kajal comes in 8 shades. I have the Graph black variant. This is a jet black kind of a color, and if you want to buy a vibrant color, you can also have the blue version or the green or browns, and even they have I think white or nude kind of a shade also in their kajal range. This one retails for rupees 1450 for 0.38 grams. It's smudge proof and the staying power is amazing. So you don't need to worry about the hassle of your kajal getting smudged or something like that. And it's very smooth and it blends easy. You can also create smoky look with this kajal, and you can also create a very precise line by using the tip of this kajal. So this was all for my review regarding the 5 of my favorite MAC products. These are the MAC products that I really suggest you to buy if you really want to invest in some of the best MAC products. So these are the products you can invest in, and believe me, you won't regret and you're gonna thank me later. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to create more such content for you. See you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.